Special tortilla snack. Just 2 eggs and 1 tortilla to make this super quick recipe. In a bowl, add 2 eggs. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, keep interacting with this video. That way you won't miss any of our recipes. Add a pinch of salt. Black pepper to taste. Next I'll chop the spring onions to taste. Take the time to let me know which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add the spring onions to the other ingredients. Mix everything together very well. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 at the end of this video, so I know how much you liked it. I can't wait to find out what it is. In a frying pan, add a tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt and add the other ingredients. Add a tortilla. Cook for about 3 minutes until golden brown. Now that it's browned, I'll turn it over so that it browns on the other side. I'll add 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 2 slices of ham, parsley to taste, grated mozzarella cheese to taste. Now I'm going to fold the pancake like this. Add a tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt and put the pancake into brown. And our recipe is ready. A delicious snack that's quick and easy to prepare at home. This recipe will surprise your family with how delicious it is. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.